Hello YouTube. I wanted to shoot a quick video of my Glock 20 10mm kit. In this one box I have the components to shoot 9mm 40 caliber with the conversion barrels and 45 with the Glock 21 slide. I have a 45 magazine, 10mm magazine, another 10mm magazine that I crimped just a little bit so I could feed 9mm. So I don't know if anyone else out there sees the usefulness of this or the beauty of it, but I think it's kind of cool. So there you go.